Good morning, viewers. Welcome to 5TV News with Joshua T, current and independent news. With IUAS and my partner here.
And I'm Nuralisa. We will bring you various hot news today, Sunday, the 9th of June, 2024.
And here is the complete news from 5TV. Israel has launched another airstrike in Gaza area, more precisely at a school on Thursday morning. This incident has resulted in at least 40 fatalities and several people sustaining serious injuries. For further supplemental documentation, we have our reporter Yulia Rosita from Gaza, Palestine. Yulia Rosita, kindly update our viewers.
Thank you, Ayu Astuti from the 5TV News Studios. Viewers, I'm currently at the location of the Gaza attack. According to our investigation, Israel has once again targeted the people of Gaza by launching an airstrike on Al-Sardi schools on Thursday morning, June 6th. This incident was aimed at the Hamas complex, which is categorized as a protected area. As a result of this attack, it has been reported that 9 Hamas fighters were killed. Additionally, the incident also claimed the life of 40 people, including 14 children and 9 women. The number of injured people has been recorded at 74. The United Nations condemned this attack by Israel, stating that the area is protected and should not be targeted by anyone. The United States has also called for an end to the ongoing crisis, prompting countries like Germany, France, and the UK to get involved. This is Julia Rosita Dewi with the cameraman person from the 5TV News report.
Thank you, Yulia Rosita. Moving into another news. It's time for the Twitter news. We have reporter Mardiatur Rahman in the Winkiai Haji Ahmad Siddiq Jember. Mardiatur Rahman, can we update our viewers about the weather?
Thank you. Viewers, I'm currently at UIN Kiai Haji Ahmad Siddiq Jember based on data from the Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics Agency BMKG. Rain is prediction to occur in several cities in East Java in the morning, according to BMKG weather forecast. Some area in East Java will experience rain with varying intensities. The area expected to experience heavy rain accompanied by lightning are Batu, Gresik, Pasuruan, Probolinggo, Sidoarjo, Sumeneb, Surabaya, and Tuban. Meanwhile, other cities in East Java will experience moderate and light rain. Public is advised to remain vigilant against potential hazards due to heavy rain and lightning. It is better to avoid other activity during heavy rains, especially under trees that might fall. For people in other areas, it is advisable to always carry an umbrella when going out. For the less and more detailed weather forecast information, the public can access the official BMKG website or through the available mobile application. I'm Mardiatur Rahma reporting for you.
And to bring us to the end of another edition of 5TV News. Your support means the world to us. As we part say, remember that knowledge is the key to understanding the world around us. Thank you for being with us. I'm IAS and my partner here.
And I'm Nuralisa, and this is 5TV News.
5TV News, just worthy, current and independent. Until the next time.
Thank you.
Pertama pertama dari Pond's Skin Institute. Baru Pond's Micellar Miracle Water dengan daya sorsinol. Kekuatan micellar toner dan essence all in one. Membersihkan makeup dan kotoran, menyamarkan tampilan pori, dan mencerahkan kulit. Ini all in one Micellar Miracle Water.
Good morning, viewers. I'm Mardiatul Rahma, your host for today in Healthy Talk. Health is something that must be given attention in every aspect of our life so that we can avoid various diseases in the future. Being healthy is not just about exercising regularly but also about maintaining a proper diet because many diseases today are caused by excessive food consumption. For more detailed, stay tuned to Healthy Talk. Illness is not limited to the elderly but can also affect adults, teenagers, and children. With that in mind, I will now invite our first guest in the morning, a general practitioner from Clinic of Kiai Haji Ahmad Siddiq University, Jember. Without further ado, let's welcome Dr. Siti Nuralisa. How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm healthy, thank you.
Before we start with the topic, may I ask where you original from, doctor?
I'm originally from Banyuwangi, and I happen to be assigned in Jember.
As a doctor at University Clinic, what are the common illnesses that students often experience?
This month, the most common illnesses among students are fever, cough, and cold. However, some students also suffer from stomach issues and high blood pressures. Stomach issues are often experienced by female students, while high blood pressure is common among male students.
Among the illnesses you mentioned, what are the most dangerous illnesses that students have experienced?
Firstly, stomach issues can cause damage to the esophagus area, leading to pain and difficulty swallowing. Secondly, high blood pressure can lead to lung spots and diseases like tuberculosis TB.
From what you have said, it seems that students do not mention their health in their daily life. What causes this illness among students?
That's correct. Based on patient reports, many female students suffer from stomach issues due to irregular eating habits and a preference for spicy foods. Male students often suffer from high blood pressures due to smoking.
Considering this, there must be prevention measures and treatment that students should follow to avoid these dangerous diseases. What are the primary prevention and treatment methods for this illness?
The primary prevention and treatment for stomach issues involve eating irregular foods, not excessively, and avoiding overly spicy foods. For high blood pressures, reducing smoking and adopting a healthy lifestyle are key.
Wow, issues are there are many dangerous diseases that students have experienced. Well, viewers, earlier Dr. Lisa mentioned tuberculosis among students. What exactly is tuberculosis? Instead of being curious, let's invite our second guest who is an expert in the field. Welcome, Dr. Ayu. How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm very well. Thank you.
Earlier, Dr. Lisa mentioned tuberculosis. Could you explain what caused this disease?
First, environmental factors, where people rarely using masks when they are coughing, and the second, high smoking rate, and the third is unhealthy lifestyle, such staying up late.
Speaking of environmental and daily life factor, is tuberculosis acid transmitted? Is tuberculosis actually transmitted? How does it spread?
It's very easy to spread because tuberculosis transmission include coughing and physical contact. When someone is diagnosed with tuberculosis, the bacteria in their body can easily infect others.
If students already suffer from tuberculosis, What are the first steps for prevention and treatment?
Prevention and treatment of tuberculosis require about 6 months of care because this disease is very contagious. Patients need to follow a regular treatment schedule. If tuberculosis spread to other organ, the treatment period can extend from 6 months and into 9 months or even a year.
Since tuberculosis is a very easily transmitted, what are the best ways to avoid getting infected?
Tuberculosis patients must diligently follow their treatment and never delay it because tuberculosis transmission is very easy. Even if someone gets infected, not everyone will be diagnosed with tuberculosis, but the bacteria will still be present in the infected person.
Wow, we have learned a lot from the two doctors who come today. Before closing, I have two questions for Dr. Lisa and Dr. Ayu. Lastly, what are your hopes for students in the future?
I hope we can educate students about the PHBS program, starting with themselves and extend into the community.
And from me, I hope students will adopt the slogan "Complete My Plate" because this slogan encompasses many food practices that support a healthy life.
At Heart Healthy Clinic, we have a program called PHBS, Clean and Healthy Lifestyle, which encourages healthy living habits such as washing hands before eating and finding clean eating place.
Additionally, I advise students to seek medical attention at a clinic or hospital immediately when they are sick to prevent more serious illness. Also, maintaining a healthy lifestyle by avoiding staying up late, reducing smoking, cutting down on sugar food and drinks, and keeping their dormitories and maintaining their rooms clean.
Alright, viewers, that is the morning show. My final message is that the greatest pleasure in the life health because whatever you have in this world cannot be enjoyed if you are sick. Keep balancing your life with exercise, maintaining a healthy diet, and avoid excesses. I'm Mardiatur Rahma. Thank you and see you next time.